Welcome to 431 Tara Vista, located on the 27-mile marker. I'm Jill Krantz with REMAX Lake of the Ozarks. Come check it out. You will not be disappointed in the finishings of this house. Granite throughout, tiled showers, updated kitchen, and much more. This house is perfect for entertaining and plenty of space to hold all your guests, with 5 bedrooms plus a game room. For more information or to schedule your private showing, give us a call at Krantz & Associates at 573-302-2355.